Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can add comment on Instagram Reels. Now for you to add a comment on Instagram Reels, firstly make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up Instagram on your device. Once you open up Instagram on your device, to add a comment to a reel, firstly choose the Instagram reel you want to add comment on by clicking on this Reels tab on the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, search for a reel or find a reel you want to add a comment on, and then just click on this comment button on the right hand side of the screen. Once you're on this button, a comments menu will open up on your screen. Now click on this add a comment option and type in the comment you want to post, and then click on this send option. After you do this, your comment on the Instagram reel you want to add a comment to will be done. I hope this video helped you to add a comment to Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.